Good morning everyone, welcome to another video. Today is the big day. Today is Ben Nevis Day, finally. If you missed our last episode, remember to click here. That was quite fun because we climbed Ben An yesterday as a warm-up before Ben Nevis, which is today. And yesterday we stayed in a really nice Airbnb in Cornell. Is that Cornell?
I think so.
Yeah, it's a really small town, Cornell. Beautiful, but hardly anyone is there. But the Airbnb is so beautiful and the place is so huge. Initially we were looking at Fort William, and Fort William is completely booked out for the entire weekend, and it's because it's Easter weekend. So if you're planning to climb Ben Nevis, remember to book your accommodation early, guys, because Fort William is really high demand. And we thought that it's going to be like maybe cloudy or gloomy today, but surprisingly it's quite sunny.
Yeah, hopefully it stays like that.
Yeah, hopefully it stays like this, because the weather might change. You never know, because it's Scotland. That's Ben Nevis right there. So intimidating.
This one or the next one?
It could be this one, or it could be the next mountain, not sure. But look at that, that's so intimidating, right? Look at the gradient. The steepness is just crazy. Oh yeah, but we're gonna do it. Amalia, are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Ready to take picture. Alright, let's go. Amalia, there's so many people today, isn't it? Oh, there's just so many people.
It's nice weather.
Yeah, it's because it's warm. So guys, apparently this is an intersection. Remember the hill that is quite intimidating that I showed you guys in the morning? Well, that's the path to go right there. But Ben Nevis is not that one, so I was mistaken. Ben Nevis is at the top over there. I think that's the one. That could be the summit. So still quite a way to go. Amalia, you still feeling strong and healthy and happy? She's hungry? Yeah, she's like munching away. Yeah, she's like munching away on that chocolate. While I don't feel hungry at all, because I had like a huge breakfast this morning, the Airbnb. The kitchen is well stocked. I had so much food. Muesli, yogurt, what else?
I also had it.
Bread. Amalia did not have the muesli though. I told you muesli is really good. So, pro tip guys, eat muesli before you go for a hike, especially a long one. Oh, my bad. Turns out that isn't to go to the other mountain, but it's actually to circle around. That's the proper path. Not sure why we took this path. We followed the other guys over there. See? We thought they knew the way. Yeah, they do, but it's a shortcut. Shortcut that is actually quite tough because of the loose rock and sand. But either way, hopefully we save 15 minutes or something. I think this is drinkable. No, it's not! But it's pure alpine water from Ben Nevis. Better than Evian, I think. Probably. Yeah, could be a lot of poop over there. And my goodness, there's actually a lake there. This is quite high up. Wow! Forgot to tell you guys that this is actually a true ascent. True ascent meaning to say we start from sea level and we climb all the way to the top of a mountain. Like if you climb Kinabalu, you actually start at 1,500 I think, and then you climb the 1,800 in a day to Laban Rata. So it is still quite tough, but not as tough as certain mountains in Malaysia like Nuang. Kinabalu will be way tougher than this. Ledang will be way tougher as well. Yeah, but worth a try. Highest mountain in the UK. Oh look guys, first batch of snow. Okay, time to grab some. Ah, it's all ice, not powdery. Oh, nice! Now this is proper nice powdery snow. I think still not that nice, still not that smooth, but you can throw that at Amalia. We got some bread, some croissant, and we also brought a thermos of hot tea. This is chamomile tea, very nice. Always bring a thermos with you when you climb, when you hike, because this is a good morale booster. So 4 hours into the hike and we're at the top. Really not bad, not too shabby. Not too shabby, right? 4 hours? Yeah.
Is it 4 hours?
Yeah, we took about 4 hours.
Oh.
About 3 hours 50. Boo. It seems like the target time is about 3 hour half to about 5 hours. So not too bad for our first time. The hike was good, it's all the way up. There doesn't seem to be any plateau at all, which is okay. You just have to keep climbing, 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 and then eventually you'll see the top. There's one area where it looks really, really scary. It's like a cliff with snow, like a crescent shape. If you're planning to do any kind of selfie, don't go too close to the side, because any kind of avalanche is going to bring you straight down to the bottom of the mountain. So yeah, I think we're going to just eat a bit. Amalia is still giving that.
I don't know if this is eatable, but yeah.
So basically we found this cheese lying on the snow somewhere just now. It's still sealed, but we're not sure whether it's edible, to be honest. But if you think about it, this place is like a freezer, so it should be fresh. Should be. And the view here is insane, guys. Look at that. That is why I love climbing mountains. You get this kind of view that is so surreal. You're on top of everything, you see. We are higher than all of the mountains there. So beautiful. Ta-da! While at the start of the trail it is seriously hot, at the top here it's freezing cold. So be prepared, guys. At least bring like a fleece and a down jacket, and also a windbreaker if possible, because it is freezing cold, right?
Yeah, it's freezing cold. I think down jacket and windbreaker is enough.
Oh yes, yes. So yeah guys, with all good things have to come to an end. It's now time to go down. Sorry for the lack of drone shots in this vlog. We feel it's not that conducive to fly, and yesterday we were told by one guy in Ben Nevis that it is actually not allowed to fly here, so yeah, we decided not to fly again. So yeah, I think time to go down. It's time to say goodbye. Bye Ben Nevis. Okay. Here you go. Ah, ice cream is so great, isn't it? So we're back in solid ground. So Amalia, what do you think? How difficult is this hike compared to Malaysian hikes or even any other hikes you've done anywhere around the world?
I would say this is half of Kinabalu, right?
Yeah.
To Laban Rata, I would say.
Yeah, 3/4 probably. I would say this is similar to the hike to Torres del Paine, I think.
Yeah,
because the
probably.
difficulty would be quite similar. The length of the hike is similar. So total it took us about 3 hours to get down, right? Slightly less.
Down.
Yeah. So that means to and fro, because we climb up in 4 hours.
So it will be 7 hours.
There will be 7 hours. So 7 hours is a good estimate for medium average hiker. Yeah, either way. Yeah, we hope you like the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose live. And now we're gonna go to Malay.
Yep.
Yeah? So stay tuned for the next episode. Don't forget it.